मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, कैसे हो? चैप्टर बहुत अच्छी तरह से चल रहा है, इजी भी है। ओके, लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन के डेरिवेटिव के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। एक्सरसाइज 5.5 के लगभग सब सम हो चुके हैं और ये आखिरी सम है। एक्सरसाइज 5.5 एग्जांपल नंबर 15। फंक्शन इज x into y इक्वल टू e रेज़ टू x माइनस y। यहां पे हमको dy बाई dx फाइंड करना है, तो यहां पे कोई लॉग फंक्शन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। यहां पे हम डायरेक्ट डेरिवेट कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ हियर डेरिवेटिव दिस फंक्शन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x। सी दिस साइड, हियर वी यूज मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल। There are two functions x and y. Then we use product rule. Now derivative of x, that is 1, at that time second function y as it is, plus now x as it is and derivative of y, that is dy by dx, equal to, see opposite side, e raised to x minus y, and we know that derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x means e raised to x minus y into derivative of power, but in power there is x minus y. Now first derivative of x, that is 1, minus derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, and therefore this side y plus x into dy by dx equal to, see here, now I put value of e raised to x minus y from equation number 1. That means I put e raised to x minus y equal to x into y. Then here I write x into y, 1 minus dy by dx. Okay, and therefore y plus x into dy by dx. Now bracket multiply with x into y. Then x into y multiply with 1. Then xy minus xy dy by dx. Now अब सिर्फ एक ही काम करना यहां पे बाकी रह गया है, वो है dy by dx को सब्जेक्ट बनाना। तो minus x into y dy by dx, take this side, then here x into dy by dx, and this term I take this side, then positive x into y dy by dx equal to x into y as it is, y take opposite, then minus y. Now from these two, x common and one time dy by dx common, then x into dy by dx common, then in bracket there is only 1 and here y, and from opposite side y common, then bracket x minus y. Now this x take in denominator, 1 plus y also in denominator, and therefore we write dy by dx equal to y into x minus 1 in denominator, x into 1 plus y, which is our final answer. Okay, now I take very important sum and example number 14 of exercise 5. Exercise 5, example number 14, and our question is, if x into under root 1 plus y plus y into under root 1 plus x equal to 0, and condition is minus 1 less than x less than 1, and then we have to prove that dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square, minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. तो यहां पे ये फंक्शन दिया गया हुआ x into under root 1 plus y plus y into under root 1 plus x equal to 0. Condition is 0, minus 1 less than x less than 1, and also condition is minus 1 less than y less than 1. Okay, then here we have to prove that dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. See here, now I start from this function. Now x into under root 1 plus y plus y into under root 1 plus x equal to 0. I take one term opposite side, then x into under root 1 plus y equal to minus y into under root 1 plus x. Now taking square both sides, then this side is x square and root and root and square which is cancelled, then remaining term is 1 plus y. Now opposite side, square of this term, then y square into 1 plus x. Now x square multiply with bracket, and same here y square multiply with bracket, then here x square plus x square into y equal to y square plus x into y square. Now I take y square this side and x square into y opposite side, and therefore x square minus y square equal to x into y square minus x square into y. Okay, now here see here x square minus y square. Now I factorize x square minus y square, then factor is x minus y, and second factor is x plus y. Now from these two terms, see here, from these two terms common x into y, then bracket y minus x. Okay, now from this bracket I common minus, then here x minus y into x plus y minus common, then here x into y bracket x minus y. X minus y cancel from both sides. Then here x plus y equal to माइनस x इंटू वाई. अब क्या करना है, तो अब सिर्फ y को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है एंड देन अप्लाई डेरिवेटिव. ओके, सी हियर माइनस xy टेक दिस साइड, देन y प्लस xy इक्वल टू x टेक ऑपोजिट, देन माइनस x. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस टू टर्म, फ्रॉम दिस टू y कॉमन, देन ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस x इक्वल टू माइनस x, and 1 plus x taking denominator, then y equal to minus x upon 1 plus x. Now derivative of y with respect to x, now apply derivative, then here dy by dx equal to minus, here we apply quotient rule, and quotient rule is denominator as it is derivative of numerator, and derivative of numerator is 1 minus now numerator as it is, that is x as it is, into derivative of denominator, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x is 1. In denominator whole square, that means 1 plus x whole square equal to minus, here 1 plus x minus x, in denominator 1 plus x whole square. X cancel, then our answer is dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. ओके, तो ये सम हमारा खत्म हो गया. और एक्सरसाइज 5 का जो एग्जांपल नंबर 3 है वो मैं आपको होमवर्क में देता हूं. मैं क्वेश्चन लिख देता हूं. एक्सरसाइज 5 का एग्जांपल नंबर 3 जो कि है y इक्वल टू 5x होल रेज टू 3 cos 2x, 5x होल रेज टू 3 cos 2x. ये मैं होमवर्क में देता हूं. क्या करना होगा यहाँ पे, e रेज टू पावर log बेस एंड देन अप्लाई डेरिवेटिव. ओके, जो कि बहुत ही इजी सम है. ठीक है, गुड मॉर्निंग. नाउ आई टेक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सम फॉर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. Okay, I write here first most IMP raised to 500. Okay, raised to 500. ध्यान रखिए क्या लिखा है मैंने, IMP raised to 500. बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट सम है. ओके, y इक्वल टू क्वाड इनवर्स इन न्यूमरेटर रूट 1 प्लस साइन प्लस रूट 1 माइनस साइन, in denominator root 1 plus sin minus root 1 minus sin, and condition is 0 less than x less than pi by 2. ओके, यहाँ पे हमको dy by dx फाइंड करना है. तो यहाँ पे जो इनवर्स फंक्शन दिया गया हुआ है, चैप्टर नंबर 2 याद करो, इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. तो यहाँ पे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, तो जो ये फंक्शन है उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे और क्या बोलते हैं हम, इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे एंड देन डेरिवेटिव करेंगे. ठीक है, देखिए यहाँ पे y इक्वल टू cot इनवर्स. नाउ आई कन्वर्ट all sine function into cos function. Then under root 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Same here, plus under root 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x in denominator, root 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x minus under root 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, now in numerator and denominator I divide root 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x, divide by this term. Okay, root 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x, then we get cot inverse divide by root, then here 1. See here plus in whole under numerator is 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x, in denominator 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Same in denominator, here 1 minus under root, in numerator 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x, in denominator 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, see here 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos, we know the formula 1 minus cos 1 plus cos, that is tan square angle half. See here 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos, that is tan square angle half. Then I use formula, see here y equal to cot inverse 1 as it is, plus here under root tan square angle half, and angle half that is pi by 4 minus x by 2. This angle divide by 2, that is pi by 4 minus x by 2, pi by 4 minus x by 2. See in denominator same thing, 1 minus same formula under root tan square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now square and square root cancel, then I write this term in modulus. Then y equal to cot inverse 1 plus modulus tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon 1 minus mod tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now I check this function is positive or negative. We have to given condition, that is 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Then I write here 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Here we have angle is pi by 4 minus x by 2. Then first this inequality divide by 2. Okay, then multiply with minus 1. At that time inequality will be changed, and then add pi by 4. See here implies first divide by 2, 0 less than x by 2 less than divide by 2 pi by 4. Now multiply with minus 1, then 0 is greater than minus x by 2 is greater than minus pi by 4. Now I add pi by 4. See here 0 plus pi by 4 gives pi by 4 greater than pi by 4 minus x by 2 greater than pi by 4 minus pi by 4, that is 0. That means this angle lies between 0 to pi by 4, that is 0 to 45. Okay, that means in first quadrant all functions are positive. Then I write y equal to cot inverse 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, then now we use here, now I put again 1 equal to tan pi by 4, then y equal to cot inverse, see here 1 equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. In denominator 1 minus first term as it is tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम 1 लिख सकते हैं, तो 1 की जगह पे मैं लिख लेता हूँ tan pi by 4. सी इन ब्रैकेट नाउ tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, which is formula of tan alpha plus beta. Then y equal to cot inverse tan alpha plus beta, that means pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now y equal cot inverse bracket tan pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is pi by 2, and pi by 2 minus x by 2 here, pi by 2 minus x by 2, and we know that pi by 2 minus x by 2, that is 90 minus theta, means tan 90 minus theta gives cot theta, then y equal to cot inverse cot theta means x by 2. See here, cot inverse of cot gives identity function, but we have to check this angle lies in range of cot inverse or not. Okay, and we know the range of cot inverse, which is 0 to pi. See here, x by 2 lies in 0 to pi by 4, which is already in range of cot inverse. Then we easily write here identity function equal to x by 2. Now derivative of y with respect to x equal to 1 by 2 as it is, and derivative of x, which is 1. Okay, now I take last sum of today. Okay, exercise 5, example number 7, और क्वेश्चन हमारा है y equal to log x whole raised to log x, log x whole raised to log x. Now see here, I write this function as, see here, function in variable in base and power, both are variable. Then I write e raised to first power into log base, power into log base. Now I derivative this function, that is dy by dx equal to this side e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is same as e raised to x into derivative of power. See here, in power there are two functions, then we use product rule. First derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x at that time, second function as it is, plus now log x as it is. Now derivative of log x, that means derivative of log x, here x as log x, then derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x, but x as log x. Now by chain rule, derivative of inner function, that is derivative of log x, is 1 upon x. Now I write this function equal to log x whole raised to x, log x whole raised to log x into bracket log of log x in denominator x plus c here, log x cancel, then here 1 upon x. Okay, now last term, which is log x whole raised to log x into bracket denominator same, then summation of numerator, then 1 plus log of log x upon x, which is our answer. Okay.